What's up, everyone? This is an update and news concerning my YouTube channel or Rumble if you're watching me on there. Or maybe if you're fortunate enough, you can watch me on BitChute as well. But primarily, it's on my YouTube channel, and my update I like to talk about is that I'm going to be changing focus and sort of changing gears. I'm going to be focusing on more videos about Hermeticism and Gnosticism and music in the Hermetic tradition and other composers in the Hermetic tradition. I'm doing this because on the last video I made, Music in the Hermetic Tradition, I got a lot of positive feedback and encouragement from people to talk more about this. And since I'm a composer and a guitarist and a music teacher, I'd like to maybe focus more on Hermeticism and in the music tradition. And as you could see here, it did on my YouTube channel here, the analytics, you can see that, it did get me a lot more attention this way compared to my other videos I made. So what I'm going to be doing is next week, I'm going to finish up with a video about Benito Mussolini and his political and social doctrine of fascism. And then once I finish that, I'll be focusing my attention on Hermeticism and music in the Hermetic tradition and anything related to Hermeticism, maybe TV shows or maybe movies. I don't know. We'll see how it goes. But I'll be doing that over the course of the next 3 months or so. And so I hope you enjoy this new direction, and I hope that you'll sort of find some unique perspective or unique insight into the topics of Hermeticism and Gnosticism and how it relates to music and other aspects of culture and life. And that's about it. I just wanted to publish a short little, 5-minute or 3 or 5 2-minute video. I can't decide which, but just sort of a basic update to my channel. And I hope you enjoy sort of the background that I have here, just some random games I like to play. I still will be making content when it comes to retro gaming and vintage gaming as well. I'm not going to leave that behind. I'll still do some like showcase videos of games I like to play live stream. I like to live stream those, like Ark Survival Evolved, or some of the other games I play, like Wolfenstein Enemy Territory, Day of Defeat. I'll be doing like Hunt Showdown, and I'll be doing like Satisfactory. I have a lot of other vintage sort of retro games I like to talk about and live stream. So if you can catch me on live stream, you can catch me every, if I can try to get the dates correct here. See, I'm in Japan, and so my dates are going to be different. I'm going to be ahead of wherever you're at there. So I usually stream on Tuesday from 7 a.m. my time, Japan time, and then I'll stream on Wednesday from 11 a.m. depending on daylight savings, 11 a.m. or 10 a.m. my time, and then every Saturday from approximately either 9 a.m. my time in the morning. See, all these dates kind of correspond to the weekend and certain peak weekdays. Like, for example, if I'm streaming on Tuesday, that means it's probably Monday in America. And then if I'm streaming on Wednesday, that's Tuesday in America, etc. If I'm streaming on Saturday morning, 9 a.m., that'll be Friday. Hopefully it'll be Friday afternoon. And so I hope you come by and watch me do some live streaming, some games, and chat about Hermeticism and music and such. And it should be an interesting sort of divagation here into a new content on my channel here. I'll still also produce music videos as well, so don't feel that I'm going to ignore music, like guitar videos specifically, but it won't be as much. I'm going to put a lot of my time mostly in study Hermeticism and Gnosticism and how it relates to music and other aspects of the culture. And basically, that's about it. Oh, we're coming up to 5 minutes. Great. So enjoy the video here of me playing a random game. And I hope you enjoyed the new direction the channel's going to go. And I hope to get a lot of comments and feedback, I hope. And don't forget to join me on those days that I do live streaming. And, well, that's about it. Thanks for coming out, guys. And hope to see you in the upcoming videos. Peace out.